Jai Srimanarayana. 11th sloka of 3rd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Devan bhavayatanena te deva bhavayantu vaha परस्परं भावयन्तः श्रेयः परम् अवाप्स्यथ। Om. By the means of yajnas and pujas, nurture all the divine entities. Offer your oblations to all the divine entities, devatas. In return, they will nurture you, they will support you. In that process, you can attain the highest good. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to him alone. Mamekam saranam vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Sriman with the means of yajnas and pujas, I shall offer my oblations to all the devatas. O Sriman I shall surrender to you alone. O Sriman I shall act according to your word. Sriman Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamruta sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatarajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Amsuman did tapasya for long time for Ganga Anayana Kamyaya, to bring the Ganga Devi down to get all his ancestors relieved and attain moksha. But how much ever he tried, he could not succeed. In the process, when the time came, Amsuman died. After that, his son Dilipa, he also tried for Ganga Devi. He also could not do that. He also died. After that, Dilipa's son Bhagiratha tasya sutaha tepe saha sumahattapaha. In order to bring Ganga Devi down to the earth, he did severe tapasya, for which Ganga Devi Darsayamasatam Devi Prasanna Varadasmite. She felt very happy and she gave her appearance, darshanam, to Bhagiratha and said, I am ready to fulfill your wish. I am ready to give you boon. What do you want? Then Bhagiratha told her everything. Then Ganga Devi says, Oh Bhagiratha, yes, I shall definitely do that. But when I am falling from Akasam, the space, to the earth, my speed, my velocity will be severe and very high. Who will be able to bear me on this earth? If there is no one, what I will do? I fell on this earth and peel out the earth and go to Patalam. Like that, Ganga Devi saying to Bhagiratha. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 11th sloka. Devan bhavayata nena te deva bhavayantu vaha parasparam bhavayantaha shreyah paramavapsyadha. Devan bhavayata nena te deva bhavayantu vaha parasparam bhavayantas shreyah paramavapsyadha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.